Today in this video we will learn multiplication of digital numbers or decimal numbers. So let us see the steps which we have to follow. So here the step number 1 is, first we have to ignore the decimal number points and do the normal multiplication. So first we will do normal multiplication of both the numbers without any decimal number. Then second step is we have to count the total number of digits to the right of the decimal point in both the numbers. So in both the numbers we will count the digits which are to the right of the decimal. We have to count the total number of digits. Then the third step is, from the right we have to count the same number of digits and place the decimal point in the answer. So let us see some examples. So let us take one example, 3.14 into 1.2. So first we will ignore these decimal numbers. We will ignore this decimal and we will do normal multiplication how we do. So 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Now we'll place a cross here. Now multiply with 1. 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 1 is 1 and 3 into 1 is 3. So now we will add the numbers. 8, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3. So here it is 3. So now we will count the numbers on the first number which is to the right of the decimal. Here there are two numbers, 1 and 4, and in the second number to the right of the decimal we will count the numbers. Here there is only one number which is 2. So here it is only one number. So the total numbers after the decimal is 2 plus 1 is 3. We have to add this total number of digits. So in the answer we have to count from the right. So after counting 3 numbers, because here we got 3, we have to count 3 numbers from the right and we will place the decimal point. So 1, 2, 3. So here we will place the decimal point. So the answer is 3.768. This is the answer. So let us take one more example, 6.11 into 2.23. So first we will ignore these decimal points and we will do normal multiplication. So 3 into 1 is 3. Here 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into 6 is 18. So now we'll place a cross here. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 6 is 12. Now again we will do multiplication with 2. So we will place 2 cross here. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 6 is 12. So now we will add all these numbers. So here it is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. So 1 carry. 2 and 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and here it is 1. So this is the normal multiplication first we have done. Now in the first number we will count the digits to the right of the decimal. Here there are two numbers, 1 and 1. So there are two numbers here. And in the second number we have two numbers to the right of decimal, that is 2 and 3. So here also we have two numbers. Now we will count the total number of digits after the decimal point. So here it is 2 plus 2 is 4. So in the answer from the right side we will count 4 numbers and we will place the decimal. So we will count 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here after 4 numbers we will place the decimal. So the answer is 13.6253. This is the answer. So let us take one more example. Here it is 12.0 into 32.6. So first we will do normal multiplication and we will ignore the decimal points. So 6 into 0 is 0. 6 into 2 is 12. So here 2 and 1 carry. 6 into 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Now place a cross here. Now 3 into 0 into 2 is 0. So 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 1 is 2. Now we will put two crosses here. Now multiply 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 2 is 6. And 3 into 1 is 3. Now we will add these numbers. So here it is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. So here 1 and 1 carry. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And here it is 3. Now we will count the numbers to the right of the decimal. So in the first number 12.0, to the right of the decimal we have one digit, and in the second number to the right of the decimal we have one digit. So the total number of digits after the decimal is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So in the answer we will count from the right side and we will place the decimal. So we have to count two numbers, 1 and 2. So we will place the decimal here. So the answer is 391.20. This is the answer.